Today, the Republic of Rwanda is receiving 11 FLN combatants handed over by the government of Burundi, and this has come just 2 months and 19 days after Rwanda has handed over 19 Burundian combatants at this same border post. This is not only a gesture of improved relationship between our two countries, but a significant contribution peace and security in the region. And this is witnessed by the presence of regional international organizations in this room. However, as we receive these 11 combatants, it should be noted that hundreds of others remain in the Kibira forest, from where they continue with attempts to launch cross-border incursions into Rwanda in order to kill innocent civilians. It is for this reason that through continued engagement with my Burundi brother and our two chiefs, we are working tirelessly to ensure that this common threat to our two countries is also defeated completely. To my FDNB counterpart, brother and friend Colonel Musawa, I remember the first time we met, we were speaking in French and English. But the following meetings, we have conducted so many meetings without EGVM. We only speak in Kinyarwanda and Kirundi, and we understand each other. So if I call him my brother and friend, you can understand where it came from. Meetings between our two chief of defense staff and other levels should need to be held regularly. Borders reopened and the free movement of our two people and goods restored. Our people are in their need of the return of cross-border activities, business exchanges.